Head into India tomorrow morning. I'm actually waiting for one more delivery from Amazon. India, it's been raining a lot in Los Angeles for the last few days. So I would say blame it on the rain. Milli Vanilli song. Yeah, I'm heading off to India tomorrow. Literally I bought the ticket last Sunday after getting the visa Saturday. Made a decision the Friday before. So it was Friday, decision to go. Saturday, visa application. A few hours later, actually it was supposed to be 72 hours and it came through right away. 4 hours later. After I got the visa, bought the airline tickets, I'll be solo traveling to India. And I know a lot of my friends and relatives are concerned, but I travel all the time, guys. What are you worried about? Yeah, maybe not always alone, but I've traveled alone, so don't worry about it. Everything will be okay. Did I find a place to stay at? Oh yes, I did. I applied to stay at a place that I looked up, and it was booked. But you know me, I'm not worried about anything, right? So within a few hours, they called back and said they had an opening. So I'll be going to that place. It's very nice. I'll show you all more about it later on in another video once I kind of get there and film a few things. This is really to let everybody know I'm fine. I'm level-headed. I thought it through. I fully planned, okay? I'm going to show you how planned out this is, actually. The doctors found out what shots I needed. You need to have shots 4 weeks before you go. So there's other things they can do. So I'm taking these other medicines, these pills, and I have some really good friends that who've been there a lot who've told me you don't drink the water, don't eat the vegetables unless it comes sealed, never eat food that comes to the table unless it's cooked and hot. So even if it's cooked, if it comes cold, send it back. Don't eat it. I'm promising you all I'll be okay. I'll show you how prepared I am for this trip, okay? I don't even know where the camera is on my phone here. India is going to be fantastic. I'm going there for silence. Silence. I know it's noisy there, but where I'm going is going to be silent. I'm going to turn off my devices and just relax in silence. Just me, myself, and I. And I'm hoping that the world won't, vanish when I come back, and it won't. I think that this silence is going to do me so good. India was never on my list of places to go to. I think I planned to revisit Sweden or Germany or Thailand. And India just came to mind. India. And then just like that, 1, 2, 3. Within a week, everything fell together. Literally ordered all my stuff on Amazon. Had to get a checklist. There's a bunch of videos you can watch online that tells you what to bring and what not to bring. Heading to New Delhi first. And then there's another town that's popular I'm going to be heading to. And I'll do a few trips. But I heard it's going to be culture shock. I mean, I've lived pretty cushy cush for a while, so this is going to be interesting to see. People are like, you're just going to be in shock. I mean, I watched this thing on video where their bodies literally flowing down the river. I mean, and they've got this thing called a rat temple. Rat temple. It's full of rats. I mean, it's not for me and everything, but anywhere you go, there's always something negative and there's always a lot of positive. You just have to know what you're looking for. For me, I always look for the positive, so it'll be fine. So I'm going to turn the phone around and show you how prepared I am for India. So to my friends who are worried, don't. You won't need to. I mean, I kind of probably overdid it. I have everything that every list has ever say I need to get, okay? So let me show it to you. Look at my table. It's turned into a store. I mean, while I paused it, my last delivery just came, which was a second. I have 3 bags I'm going to choose from. So I bought 2 just for this trip. I'll figure out which one I like better. But I'm only going to travel with 1 bag because since I'm by myself, I'm going to try to backpack it like I've seen many people do for all these years. One of those has a computer compartment and the other one doesn't, so I'm probably going to take the one on the left. I don't know yet. I'll check it out. Check this out. Okay, let's see if I can go through everything. Blow up pillow. Literally 4 puffs and it blows up. Bed liner or sleeping bag. Green repels insects. I didn't know that. This is also treated to repel insects. And it sort of just basically, see that? Raincoat. Since you cannot drink anything cold, cannot drink the water anywhere, you need one of these. Plugs in and heats up the water, tea, coffee. Of course, you need one of these things. Converters. I've got one that goes for all the countries, so this will work in India. Let's see. Found these nifty little plugs that you could pop this off, and it's actually a lightning cable, and it also charges your beats. Tape. Everyone says to bring extra light in, so I'm bringing this plus my flashlight. Locks, you need to lock your stuff up. Even on the trains, you have to lock your backpack down. Glasses, hooks, fire. Oh man, look at this really cool mask. It's like a ninja mask. I'm gonna sleep with this thing on the plane for 14 hours. I'm not getting any germs there. I even have check this out. It's a wristband, which converts to a fire starter and also converts to a purify straw. It's amazing. Conversion socks, they say, is a must. I decided to get colorful. Solar charger. You need to have toilet paper, wipes, dude wipes. You know, you can see what I have. Let's see what else. So you tell me, do I look prepared? Bug repellent, just in case they get me. Anti-itch. I don't even know what this stuff is. Lysol, Pepto, water purifier, no jet lag. I heard that really works. Sanitizer, extra mask, toothbrush, extra, snacks. I'm going to choose from one or two of those stacks of hats. Passport, of course, make sure you have that. Your visa, your papers, passport carrier, which just came. Check out that. Purifier water, special water bottle. I don't think I'm going to bring this one, but. So all of this that you see here will end up all fitting in one of those 3 bags, because I'm not bringing 2 bags. I heard if you go with a backpack and another bag, your other bag might end up in China. I'm actually stopping over in Hong Kong, so. But as you can see, I'm well prepared, okay? So all of you who are concerned, thank you very much. But look, I'm bringing a whole pharmacy here. And I'll tell you what, it looks like a lot of stuff, but when you get these bags, literally everything here fits in that one bag, and everything here fits in that other bag. So again, I'm prepared. I think that I don't believe I've missed anything. Do you think? I'll shoot again once I'm at the airport, because I never pack until a few hours before I get on a plane. So I haven't packed yet, and I leave tomorrow at 8, so I'll probably pack about 4 a.m. For some reason, it just works better for me. Let's see, I have a pair of sandals and 1 pair of walking shoes. Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't worry about me. I'll be safe. I'll be talking to you. And there it is. And there it is. Pretty amazing. All right. This is me on the way to India, heading to the LAX airport right now. This is how I roll, Michael Jackson style. My mask, I don't take the chance. Don't want to get sick on there. LAX.
OK， 可以可以啊，我要继续
廣州，廣州，A 是廣州，有冇啊？廣州。台灣寶，Daily，台灣寶，Daily。
It's 4:26 Sunday morning. 2 days later, I finally got checked in. So it's basically, I've been traveling for 2 days. I left Friday and now I'm here in India. Here's my trusty bag. It actually worked out really well. So this room, how I got this room, this hotel is actually booked, completely booked. My room officially was not available till 2 a.m. tomorrow. But as I walked up to the counter, I met a woman with a child who had to check out early to catch a 6:30 flight. So, because I was right there when she came down to ask about getting to the airport, I was able to take her room. As luck would have it, right? So, basically, she checked out, they cleaned the room, and this is my room for at least 1.5 days. And I will enjoy my rest because I've been traveling for 2 days. Almost got scammed at the airport, by the way. I got out and immediately they have a system there. People came to you, they come up to you and they try to sell you on things. I told them what hotel I was going to and they said it's too far. Check in with another hotel. So they said the hotel you're taking is like $300 per night. It's too far. Let us take you to another hotel. So they wanted me to go to another hotel, which they would have charged me $20 to get to, when to get to this hotel was only, I think it was what, $8 US. And the other hotel, they wanted to charge me $20 just to get there. And it would have been $100 stay. So be careful, they work in teams. This video is just for those who wanted to know that I'm safe. So I'm here and I'll report to you all later. This is going to be the last cush living for a little while because where I'm actually going will not be as nice as the Sheraton. It'll be different for me. It'll be a good experience. That's why I've got my trusty sleeping bag just in case the bed is not as clean as they say it is online. We'll see. Okay, all. I love you all. Stay happy. I'll be safe. Love.